Hi, I'm Robert Spurway, Managing Director of Global Operations at Fonterra. I'm here today at Pahiatua with Bill Boakes, our Site Operations Manager. It's an exciting time here. Our new milk powder plant's just taken its first milk. Bill, there's been a lot going on since construction started in December 2013. Tell us a little bit about it.
Thanks, Rob. The new dryer has had its finishing touches in the last couple of months. We've managed to deliver the project ahead of schedule and under budget. This plant allows us to process an additional 2.4 million litres of milk each day at Pahiatua, and in the most cost-effective and efficient way. Along with the plant, we've also added new supporting infrastructure to allow us to cope with the additional volume, including a wastewater treatment plant, a reverse osmosis plant, new gas-fired boiler, and a distribution centre that's the size of 3 rugby fields.
Thanks, Bill. It's great to see tankers rolling into the site and it's starting up so well. This expansion is much more than just about turning milk into whole milk powder. It's about adding value to every drop of milk we process. It gives us more choices about the products we make through the season, and importantly, these plants are amongst the most efficient in the world.
And we've seen in similar dryers, like the one at Darfield, that with our systems, processes and people in place, we've been able to reduce our cost of processing and increase our product yields even further. In addition to this, the expansion delivers on our co-op's commitment to environmental sustainability.
That's right, the dryer itself, as you mentioned, is very efficient. While processing on site will more than double, the new wastewater treatment plant means we can irrigate the wastewater volume used in processing in an environmentally sustainable way and with higher levels of control. The systems for heat recovery mean that steam generation with the boiler is very energy efficient. And the reverse osmosis plant allows us to recycle 90% of the water taken from the milk, or condensate, to be used as process or potable water. This is the first time in New Zealand we've installed a system to treat the condensate and reuse for site demand.
So on top of realising greater efficiency, we're minimising environmental impact, and this is something we're doing right across the cooperative. Since 2003, we've done several upgrades across our manufacturing sites to keep pace with rising New Zealand milk volumes. We've also delivered year-on-year improvement in energy intensity, resulting in a 16% reduction in our energy intensity.
And that product coming off the line will soon be heading to more than 20 markets around the world. It's a great example of our strategy in action: volume, value with velocity. There's been a huge amount of work go into delivering this project on time and in budget. And I want to say thank you to every person involved in that project. More than 800,000 hours, and all a part of delivering this fantastic project that's going to add value to our farmers' milk.